Sometimes the attire that you leave your house in to take on the day can help shape your day, and I think that this shirt will help shape my day. So, what's up, clean-faced Willie? What's up, Lionhearts? Daze with Jordan the Lion begins now. Well, I promised Jaw a trip to the park today, and then pretty much all of Hollywood is blocked off for parade, so we had to get out of town, but getting back in might be tricky. I have to keep my promise. I know it's a bit of a scorcher today, isn't it, Jaw? But I can already tell there's a bunch of dogs here. That might put you in a better mood. It's pretty packed out here, see? The Explorer. Well, I'm thinking today that I'm going to do something that I actually, not only have I not done it in probably 10 years or more, but I also said I probably would never do it again. But lately I changed my mind. I've been thinking about it a lot lately, and I was like, you know what? Out the window with that. So this is gonna be a little different today. He just saw me. That's him with the tongue hanging out. Whenever we first get here, I always wander away from him, let him do his own thing. I watch him, but I let him do his own thing and then figure out where I'm at, so he'll kind of look around and explore the place a little. I know it's a bit of a hot one today, isn't it, bud? The inspections. So what I said I wasn't gonna do again was I wasn't gonna get any more tattoos. But that was mainly because there wasn't anything I really felt strongly about wanting. So I actually am gonna get one under where the watch is. I'm gonna get something right there in that wrist area. So it won't be too big, but it's something I definitely want. And I figure there's nothing really that I can, you know, there's nothing I can add that's gonna deter me from any future job because I've already done that with the other stuff. And I'll probably at some point put something here. I already know what I want to put there. I just haven't decided where or who I'm gonna have do it yet. Yeah, I figure I've seen enough white skin there forever. I'll always remember what it looks like, and if I want to see white skin again, I can just look at my legs. I feel like having some art on there for a while, you know, pretty much for the rest of my life is what I'm assuming. Passing ships in the night. Well, was it worth it? Jaw, was it worth it? Yeah, this is Hollywood right now. Alright, I've heard good things about this place. Let's see if they have time to do a tattoo for me. Shouldn't take too long, maybe an hour or 2 hours. Alright, we're gonna do it. Now we just gotta fill out our consent form and waiver. Welcome to Paris. So that's the plan right there. The Waylon Jennings Eagle. Here we go. Picking out all the inks now. I'm using a lot of color. First things first, you gotta shave off the hair. You want this way, right? Yeah. So that's basically where it's gonna be. There's our outline. I'm having him do it a little bit stormy for the Waylon and Jesse song, Storms Never Last. If anybody's wondering if it hurts, after about the first 5 seconds, you just get used to it. It doesn't hurt at all, I don't think. Looks like we've pretty well got the outline done. We've got all the major outlining and all the darkness done. Now we're just going to put all the coloring and the shading and all that stuff in. We are done. Check that out. Like I mentioned, I wanted to represent the song Storms Never Last, so we got the lightning bolts up there on one side, and then on the other side the sun's starting to come out and the colors are changing for that desert. Alright, big shout out to Atomic Tattoo. He did a great job. Totally. So the artist I had's name was Jonathan. If you ever want a tattoo there, go to Atomic Tattoo and ask for Jonathan. What are you up to, fella? I came in here and you were laying in your cage. Like you were at a resort. You want to go for a walk? You would? You'd like to go for a walk? So I've decided to drive out to Bakersfield, which is about an hour and a half, and see the Buckaroos and have some dinner. Why not? Well, we've arrived. There's the Bakersfield sign, there's Buck Owens Boulevard, and there's the Crystal Palace. I love coming to this place. It's such a departure from everything in the area of where I live in, so. I think the Buckaroos play, I'm not sure if it's every Friday and Saturday, but it's a handful of Friday and Saturdays. I think maybe at least 1 or 2 a month. And normally they like you to have a reservation, but I never do, and I always tend to get seated somewhere. Usually without a reservation though, you're looking at 2nd floor up there. There's some old friends. There's Johnny Cash and his Bible. I hear the music. They said it'd be a few minutes before I get seated. Look at that jacket. That's awesome. There's Buck, statue of Buck Owens. And of course the man, Willie. There's Hank. There's Merle. There's Elvis. I got a really good seat. There's Buck's car. There's Johnny Owens, Buck Owens' son.
Close to 20 years. Vince Galindo, everybody. He's gonna jump in here and do a song for us. I don't wanna see you peeking through my window. I don't wanna hear you calling on the phone. I don't wanna hear you knocking on my door. Where are you still everybody looks alone. I don't wanna see you peeking through my window. I don't wanna hear you call me on the phone. Well, they say for everybody there's a pool, and that's the way it's always been between me and you. Nobody's fool, nobody's fool, nobody's fool but you. And although you did me wrong,
if you notice, the whole inside is just like the outside, where it's like a country store. There's the jail up top.
My dad's favorite song I love this song. When I was young, left my home and I went away to Vegas. Grow fonder, and that tears are only rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you can never grow no stronger. If I live to be 100 years old.
All kinds of amazing memorabilia, but I've vlogged the whole Buck Owens Crystal Palace before. You'll have to go watch that one if you want to see it. We'll just say goodbye to George Jones on the way out. Later, George. Take it cool, Possum. Well, thank you very much, Betty Hoff, Vicki Smith, Andrew Madison, Gloria Simmons, and Janice Stillings for becoming my newest Patreons, and we will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night, and goodbye.